World famous fruit by world famous families. My parents started working in agriculture as long as I can remember. When I was 14, my mom told me, it's time for you to start working in the orchard with me. As a single parent raising myself and 2 brothers, she worked so hard for us. Now I have 3 kids of my own and work alongside my husband, Juan at Stemilt. My name's Estela Cuevas, and the work I do is more than a job. I enjoy what I do. It makes me proud to prepare the new homes of farm workers who are coming to work in a new place. They appreciate what I do, and it makes me feel good to make them feel comfortable. I thank my mom all the time for all the work she taught me. I want to teach my kids to appreciate what they have and not to take things for granted. We all depend on and appreciate each other like family does. Though we don't work in the same locations, we're still working for the same company that helps our family grow into the people we are.